Hello everyone, welcome back to my Rupesh Time City YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to verify your Upwork identity verification process. Let's go to identity verification process. At the end of the verification process, you see badge like this. You will get the freelance identity has been verified through a government ID check and visual verification. You will see the verified name and if you enter into a contract together. Before applying for this, I have a photo with on a bike here. The image is not clear and I am not able to apply for a project. I am not able to send a proposal to a project. Asking me to verify, do identification verification. From here, click on photo, go to settings. It will ask you for authentication codes and all. If you have, it will ask for password. If you kept two-factor authentication, it will ask for authentication code. I don't want to show that information. That's why before only I logged into this. In this settings page, I showed you now. This is the image. You can see this is the image before, for which the Upwork inspector said to change this photo to a real photo like this one. And his face is clear. Your face must be clear. That's it. That's all. In settings page, click on identification verification. Initially, you don't see ticks here. On clicking this, you will open a pop-up window asking you to fill basic details like first name, last name, email ID, country, and identification card, proof type, and the documentation has to be in PDF or the picture format. After that, you will get redirected to next page. Where you fill remaining details and send you will take a photo from a camera which is attached to your laptop or in a mobile. You have to upload a selfie in a smile format, and that page will be in full screen and vowel shape will be present. And that vowel shape, your face has to be present, and you have to give a smile in that. After this too, in some of the cases, it will automatically verified. If not, the visual inspection verification will be take place. It's a process in which a client from Upwork and visual inspection team will be present. From that, any one of the member will be assigned to you, and they will say First of all, you have to chat with them by clicking on going down through it here only. Click on help and support page. After this too, you will get a new page. It will ask you to chart, but you can't find chart here. There in the process, go to here, click on get support. You'll type ID verification. After that you see some comment that some replies if you have not verified before. If verified, no need to do it. And if your verification does not take place, then you have to give I want to chat with verification. You have to type I need to contact the agent to verify my ID. After typing it, it will redirect our agent will come to you. And here, after clicking continue, you see a pop-up window. Then it will ask you to chart, but you can't find before. And to the footer base of here, the footer label, a pop-up format will be present till the full width to the bottom. From here to here, this much height with this 100% to the bottom, and you have to type please verify my ID and click on send. It will the Upwork team will assign to a person of that verification department, and he will come into touch within 1 or 2 minutes. If he is busy, he will ask you to wait for few minutes, and in the meantime he will give anything to be modified. In my case, before you saw before here, he said to change my picture, that's why I changed this to this and zooming my face in this one. After which a video call, a Google Meet has happened in which you have to talk with the agent saying in a video call format. You have to switch on your camera, and he will know that you are the person in the photo and the uploaded selfie photo in the Upwork uploaded selfie and your live camera and hardly matching or not, same person or not. After that, he will ask you to show the ID card which you have uploaded in the ID documentation verification. And after within 2 to 3 minutes, within 1-2 minutes, I received the badge blue tick. The freelance identification has been verified through government ID check and visual verification. UVC verified name if you enter into a contact together. This one. Before this one, this account has been created long back 2020 or 20. Long back 2020, I guess. After few, I didn't much in this. I didn't receive a project order also. I applied for a few jobs. So you can see my proposals, and this is the lastly proposals I have sent. And that's it for this video. I guess you came to know how to verify your profile as an freelancer. By enabling it, you can send to unlimited numbers of proposals. I don't know the limit, but from 2 days I am not able to send a proposal to a new member or new project. Popping up saying to verify identity, so that's why I identified that I have verified my identity. It will be helpful to your members who want to verify your identity. So that's why I made a video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Most of the members were not subscribing to my channel. You can see here. See, 99.9% members are not subscribing to my channel. My channel name is Adelaide Lucas MCT. You will find videos about freelancing, software related stuff, coding and installations and such topics. If you have any idea or any doubts in any topic you want me to make a video, please comment below this video at any time. Also, I will see and try to make that video if possible. Thank you.